Hello guys, if you got one Samsung S6, it might be you upgraded your handset because this is quite old. And the problem with this handset is there is not slot for micro SD card. So let's say if you want to transfer the data, it's a little bit difficult. If you don't have a PC, then it's a little bit trouble to do that. Okay, mostly the contacts. Okay, so example, my friend, he got this phone and he would like to, one second, he would like to transfer his contact list from here to another Android handset, which is in this case Y. So what are you going to do? We're going to transfer it. So we're going to get some help from the PC because that would be the actual middle media. Okay. So first, what you need to do, bring it closer, please. You need to get into contacts from here. If you go to the three dots on the right hand side on the top of the screen, click here, then settings. From settings, top of the list, if you can see, there is a option called import and export contacts. Okay, so just click in here, and now there are two options. Import, obviously we don't import because we want to upgrade to different handset, and that would be our unused, we're not going to use it, we'll leave it. So we're going to go to export. Once you click on export, there are two options because of there is no external memory in here, that's why there is no option for it. And two option is SIM card and device storage. So if you have more than 200 or 500 of contacts, it's very difficult to get into SIM card because SIM card doesn't hold that much. Less than 300 it does. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put it in device storage. Okay, so job is done. Now what we're going to do, I already done it, just for the tutorial purposes I'm doing it. So I'm going to connect a USB cable and okay, to Windows based PC. Once we do that, one second, we're going to go to computer. Please, if you can bring it closer. Okay, as you can see, there is one list which is says Galaxy S6. Okay, so let's click in here. Once we click, as you can see, it says contact 0003, contacts 002. The reason is I copied it twice, I exported twice, that's why the same file. And as you can see, both of them 21.5 KB. Okay, so what are you going to do now? Now on the desktop, we'll create a folder and we'll just drag and drop here. I already did it. So as you can see, sorry if you bring it closer. As you can see, there is already on the desktop, there is a new folder, it's called, and contacts is here. Okay, so now the job is done. We'll unplug it, S6. Now we're going to connect into our new handset. It could be Y, it could be any other phones. Okay, as long as it Android is fine. Okay, so we're going to choose option from here is transfer files. Okay, I'm not going to mention the name. This is, I think, P10. Okay, and it could be any one of them. It's compatible for everyone. Okay, so now again we're going to get into this PC. From this PC we're going to get into P8 Lite. That's the handset. Get into internal storage. From here I created a folder which is called Conta. Okay, in Conta I copied it. So what I done is from the new folder which is on the desktop, I drag and drop in here. So now it's already copied, less than a second. Now we're going to unplug it. Okay, so now that's the main process now. Okay, so now from here we need to find, it's called files. Once we get into files, then we need to find the folder name. Okay, I put CONTA. And from here, if you click on the file, it's going to ask you import contacts from B card, yes or okay. Once you press OK, they are asking what you'd like to set it up. So I'm going to choose in the phone. In this case, it's importing. As you can see, the percent is going up all the way to 100. So once it's done, then go to your contacts and check. It should be here. As you can see, loads and loads of them. Okay, A to Z. Yeah, so that's how easy it is. At the same time, you can put it in your, if you want to keep it for future backup, you can burn a CD with this file and you can keep it safe. So let's say if your phone gets stolen or damaged or anything, if you have a new handset, you can just retrieve your contacts from the external any, it could be anything, removable drive, example like CD or USB or micro SD or SD card, and then later we can do TV. So thank you guys for watching, and if the video does help, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for future videos, please. Thank you so much. Bye for now.